Tonke EQV Touring is a next-generation, all-electric camper van that combines luxury with sustainability. This van is based on the Mercedes-Benz EQV 300, which provides a premium EV platform. Its main focus is to deliver eco-friendly travel with high-end comfort. For modern travelers, it works as a perfect smart mobile home. Despite its compact size, it offers full camping functionality. In 2026 to 2027, it stands as a strong competitor in the electric camper segment. This van is equipped with a powerful 150 kilowatts electric motor that delivers smooth driving. With 204 horsepower, it provides instant acceleration and strong torque. The electric motor ensures a completely silent and vibration-free ride. It performs efficiently in both city and highway driving conditions. The rear-wheel drive system offers stable and controlled handling. Overall performance feels refined and responsive, matching luxury EV standards. It comes with a 100 kilowatt-hour battery pack with 90 kilowatt-hours usable capacity. On a full charge, it delivers a realistic driving range of 300 to 400 kilometers. This range is practical and reliable for long trips. With fast charging support, the battery can go from 10% to 80% in 40 to 45 minutes. Home charging is also available, allowing convenient overnight charging. The electric setup makes travel eco-friendly and cost-efficient. The exterior design showcases clean and modern European styling. Its aerodynamic shape improves overall energy efficiency. Premium finishing and smooth body lines give it a classy look. Compact dimensions make city driving and parking very easy. The 17-inch alloy wheels enhance its stance and road presence. The minimalistic design gives it a futuristic electric identity. The interior features a yacht-style design with high-quality materials. Premium finishes and elegant detailing are clearly visible throughout the cabin. The spacious layout provides a comfortable and relaxing environment. A 10.25-inch MBUX touchscreen infotainment system offers modern control. Voice control and smart features make the driving experience easier. The interior turns travel into a true luxury lifestyle experience. One of its most unique features is the outward turning kitchen. The kitchen rotates outward, allowing open-air cooking under the sky. It includes an induction cooktop, sink, and a 36-litre fridge. The rear seats easily convert into a comfortable double bed. An optional pop-up roof bed provides additional sleeping space. This setup makes camping both practical and highly comfortable. Advanced safety features include adaptive cruise control and blind spot assist. A 360-degree camera makes parking and maneuvering much easier. The fully gas-free system provides a modern and safe camping solution. A 3000W inverter and lithium battery deliver strong power supply. The combination of technology and safety makes it future-ready. Overall, the Tonke EQV Touring is a perfect luxury electric camper van that redefines future.